how to allow friends to join Minecraft world. So this will work in Java and Bedrock. So I'm just gonna go with the Bedrock version first. So to do that, just simply go to play, and we're actually going to make a new world right here. So create new world and create new world right here. And just gonna name it, let's say test. And once you've named it and decided what game mode you want, just simply go to multiplayer right here. Then make sure that it is set to friends or friends of friends. Could also set it to invited players. And for the default play permissions, you could set them to operator, member, or visitor. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. And you could also set this to visible to LAN players. You could turn that on, and it's up to you if you want to turn on friendly fire. But after that, just simply click on create right here at the top and wait for it to load. Once the world has been loaded, as you can see, they can now basically join the game by them going to the multiplayer mode, and they will see your game at the list. But you could also invite them to do that. Just simply click on escape on your keyboard, and as you can see here, it says invite to game, and they can basically accept that invite so that they can join you. Next is for Java. So when you go to multiplayer right here, it says scanning for games or in the local network. So basically what you need to do now first is just load up your world first. So I'm gonna load my world right here. Wait for it to load. So as you can see here, once it's all loaded up, what you need to do now is just simply click on escape, then click on options. So just go back, and as you can see here, and you go click on escape, you will see open to LAN right here. You simply click on that and make sure that this is open. So it's up to you if you want to make it the game mode creative, or it could also turn on the commands or cheats. And here's the port number, and just simply click on start LAN world so that they can join you. So just click on this one, and as you can see, local game hosted on that particular port. You can also press P, as it says here, and you will see all of the players right there. And that's how you basically allow friends to join your Minecraft world.